Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking and Spices. On this episode I want to show you how I make my paneer and potato rolls, which is great for Ramadan. And the ingredients that we're gonna need is not too many. Let's go through it and then we'll move forward. We're gonna need some crushed chilies, Laila's garam masala powder, coriander powder, 1 small onion finely chopped, fresh chopped cilantro, eggs, some boiled potatoes, grated paneer, salt and pepper, and then later on we're gonna need some little bit of some all-purpose flour and some breadcrumbs and oil for frying. All I'm gonna do first is mash the potatoes. Using a fork for me is easy to mash the potatoes, but you can use a potato masher, whatever you prefer, but this works well for me. Mash this well. To that I'm gonna add salt and pepper to taste. All the spices and the fresh cilantro, the onion and everything goes in. Add the grated paneer. And now I'm gonna use my hand to mix this properly. It's not gonna happen with a spoon very well. Like I don't like to use my hand as well, but for this recipe I am going to use my hand and give this a good mix. Now in this bowl I'm gonna break all the 3 eggs. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit. And then give this a good beat. Heat them well. Okay, so I forgot to mention that we also need like about a half cup of milk, which is whole milk. You can use 2% milk, of course. Add this to your egg mixture and then beat well. Okay, so now I have everything ready over here. My mixture of my potatoes and paneer. I have some dry flour, my egg mixture, and the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna start making my my rolls. You can make as big as small, up to you. I think for me, for a snack or for a treat or for Ramadan treat, I think this size will be fine. Try to tap them, because if we leave this pointy, it's gonna look like a kebab. So this is a roll, so we just roll it like this and then tap them, all of them one by one, and when you do each of them, just like that, so it's not sticky properly, I can make the rolls. And then it's gonna go in the flour slightly, and then egg, and then breadcrumbs. All right. Okay, so now you have a nice size of a roll. I'm just gonna keep repeating this. In total I got 22 of the rolls, so it's time to now cover them in with a plastic wrap, and then that has to go in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour, so they can have a chance to sit, and then that way when we fry them, they're not gonna break and the cheese is not gonna come out, the paneer, and it's gonna look perfect. My oil is heating over here, and it's time to fry my potato and paneer roll. I'm not gonna fry all of them. The rest is going to go in the freezer, and then anytime I want, I'm just gonna remove them and let them thaw a little bit, and then just fry, and then you can have a fresh potato roll anytime. Don't put too much at once, so the temperature of the oil gonna like drop. I'm just gonna add one more, and then that's it. So make sure you fry this in a medium heat until golden brown, and then try to move them around and like flip them, and then let them get a nice golden color. So my paneer and potato rolls has been ready to go. They are nice golden brown in color, and they are very hot right now, which I'm gonna burn my tongue if I try. So I'm just gonna let this cool and then give it a try. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments below for what do you want to see next on another episode. Hope you enjoy spending time with me. I will see you in another great recipe in another episode. Wait for it, and click the link below for the full written recipe, and bye for now.